Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Truebill subscription history alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Truebill subscription history alerts, first, visit the Truebill website. Create an account by entering your email and choosing a secure password. Once your account is set up, log in to your Truebill dashboard. Next, navigate to the subscriptions section. Here, you'll find a list of your current subscriptions. If Truebill doesn't automatically find your subscriptions, you can add them manually. To do this, click on the Add Subscription button. Fill in the required details, including the name of the subscription and the monthly or annual amount. Once you've entered the information, save your subscription. Now, head to the Alerts section in your dashboard. Turn on subscription alerts to receive notifications about any changes. You can customize the frequency of these alerts according to your preferences. If you want alerts for upcoming bills, ensure this option is enabled as well. Review your settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. Once you're satisfied, you can explore more features within Truebill. Now you're ready to manage your subscriptions effectively with Truebill. Regularly check your dashboard for updates and alerts. This will help you stay informed about your subscription expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.